Welcome back. Before we dive into the admin panel part 2, here's a quick recap of what our Discord subscription bot actually does. With this bot, you can create and manage all your subscription plans right from the admin panel. On the user side, anyone can start the bot using the /start command, select a plan, complete payment that goes directly to your linked payment account, and then instantly user get access to the paid Discord channel. When their subscription expires, the bot automatically removes their access, no manual work needed. If you haven't watched the previous video, make sure to check out. Now, in this video, we will cover the remaining admin panel features. Now let's explore the settings. Here you can set the welcome message that will appear for users when they run the bot and view the plans. Under Security, you can change your admin panel password anytime. Next comes payment methods. Stripe integration. You can connect your Stripe account by adding your Stripe secret key. You can copy this key directly from your Stripe dashboard. If you disable the Stripe switch, the Stripe payment option will disappear from the bot. Let's quickly check. When choosing a plan, only PayPal appears now because Stripe is turned off. PayPal integration. Here you can select PayPal mode, sandbox for testing or live for production. Once you go live, you will enter your own PayPal client credentials. All payments made by the subscriber will automatically go to your Stripe or PayPal account, just like any website integration, no extra steps required. Tap Save All settings to apply the changes. Servers section. Here you can see all the servers connected to your bot. You can also disconnect any server if needed. Channels and Roles section. In this section, you can view all channels and roles in your Discord server, both public and private ones. This helps when assigning private channels to specific subscription plans. That's it for this video. In the next part, we will explore the setup guide, where we will show you how to add the bot to your Discord server step by step. Thanks for watching.